Let's go.
Wait lang guys, nakakainis.
Ay, wait lang. Pipindutin ko na yan, no? Kanta.
Oo.
Okay.
Got me fucked up,
Oh.
got me fucked
Oh.
up, got me fucked up,
Yeah.
got me fucked up, got me fucked up, got me fucked up, got me fucked up, got me fucked up. Don't know if I can take another one, I don't know. Just get it Wanna see them dance, wanna see them fuck, but my baby's gonna love me, but my baby's gonna love me, but my baby's gonna love me. You said it, I do it, I do what I want. You said you're cool, it's all a front. Yeah, my paycheck, I want it, I'm running. Don't you me, believe me. Got me fucked up, got me fucked up, got me fucked up, got me fucked up.
Uy, kita mo sa dito. Wi-Fi! Bro! Hi guys, wala.
Sorry guys ah.
Sorry guys, na tapos na yung kanta.
Sige, iba naman.
Iba naman. Yes. Yo, it's lagging. Yo, it's lagging. Parang meeting tayo dito. Yes! Subscribe and press the like button. Yes! Yes! Yeah! We survived! Thank you, Lord! Yes! Thank you for supporting! I don't need any more cola because nigger cola. Yeah,
Bye.
Uy, sige, pag ikaw nag-log.
Maraming naniniwala na ang
yung ads
nicotine
ng
ang
Spotify
pangunahing
naman ako,
sanhi
sagot
ng
yan eh.
smoking-related diseases. Pero addictive man at hindi risk-free, hindi ito ang main cause, kundi ang
Just hi
burning.
to us.
When tobacco is burned, nagproproduce ito ng usok na naglalaman na mataas na levels ng harmful chemicals
Ay,
na
maglaro
pangunahing
na,
sanhi
Jason.
ng smoking-related diseases. What happens when you remove the burning? Learn more. drive-thru, takeout, and delivery. Chowking Santa, anytime, anywhere. Chowking Santa, anytime, anywhere.
Nakakita ko dito ah. Sa may light ko. Yeah, it's like power of God. Bye-bye! Ano ba yung hotel? Ano ba yung hotel? Wait, dito ka. Ay, dapat. Uy, ba't ka nalilito? Boy, mahulog ako. Gusto mo? Papalipad ako. Bye-bye. Wala! May mama!
Nag-join yung kukulasi ko. Ay, naka-record pala tayo.
Ay, oo nga no. Sorry guys.
Sorry kasi di ko kayo napapansin.
Yes.
By the way, guys, thank you for liking and watching the video.
And subscribing.